way, robot stops moving. When the robot meets the first path to turn, though the right sensor detects the path to turn, it won't turn because the first digit of the signal from left to right of the signal is 0. After avoiding the first path to be turned, it will move forward and it will avoid the second path also. For the same reason, it avoids the first path. But when the robot meets the third cross path, since the first occurrence of number 1 of the digit from right to left is in third position, the robot will turn. For this, the robot will stop the right motor and will keep rotating the left motor. After that, the same method would be applied to find the relevant seed. See, this time using the left sensor instead of the right. After meeting the particular seed, the robot will stop.
Okay. From here onwards, Ms. Chandima will continue the presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Kanishka. As you have seen before, we use several components for our robot. Let me brief about those components. The most important component in our robot is sensors. We have used two types of sensors, IR proximity and pressure sensor. IR proximity sensor can be divided to two parts. They are IR LED and IR receiver. The task of IR LED is to emit IR beams to the sensing object, and IR receiver detects the reflected signal. You can see that process from the above diagram. On your left hand side picture shows the sensor panel that we have used for our white line following robot. And the other picture shows a special kind of seat occupies a sensor panel. It is flexible in size. Then the operational amplifiers, also known as op-amps. This is mostly used in electronic technology. Op-amp is a simple IC which can be used both as an amplifier or a transistor. When IR sensor emits an analog signal, it is digitalized by op-amp. When the sensor is above a black surface, it receives a voltage less than 5, and when it is above a white surface, it receives a voltage greater than 5. The op-amp converts those values greater than 5 volt to 1 and the less than 5 volt to 0. Then the motor driver, for that we have used L298 IC. Also we use PWM, which stands for pulse width module, in L298 IC to change the speed of two motors. The last components are transmitter and receiver. Our robot is implemented by KST-TS01 technical transmitter and KST-RX806 super heterodyne receiver. This technical transmitter fixes into the seat and the receiver is attached to the robot. Transmitter can transmit signal up to 1500 meters and the maximum operating voltage is 5 volt. For experiment, we have done testing the line following robot in a structured environment. For that, we have used a sensor panel which consists 5 sensors in a V shape. And also we figured out difference between white and black surface by using the reflection of IR rays. For conclusion, our main objective is to design a robot for attending different able people which operates on first come, first served basic. This robot solves all the problems that we have mentioned before. For future work, we can use a camera which is attached to the robot for face detection. Then it will be more accurate. And also the robot would be able to go and bring the medicine to patients from the pharmacy according to the given unique number of patients. That will also be help for the patients, especially different able persons and pregnant ladies. That's all about our presentation. Thank you very much.